picking up the pieces. Oh, notes I deleted. Retreating in my own mind. Told lies cause I need to be the nice guy. When's the right time to admit that shit like never? Trying to forget all the shit I can't remember. Need to take a couple step backs like Kemba. Trying to be the greatest in this shit like ever. Trying to be the latest on a long list of rebels, but the haters keep me caged all cooped like a kennel. So I light a little green, I ain't talking no fennel. Help me get sick on a beat like strep throat. Chick in my Jeep cause you know I'm up next though. Girl, take a seat while I ward away the stress. In the blunt with some cess to be blunt, she's obsessed. Getting off track, I guess, I digress. Up to my neck in the hate while I'm up to my head in the checks. And your girl done crept in my DM. Then we got to talking like Ted. Added the X, now I'm taking it to bed. Well shit, some things are better unsaid. Like let's get this bread, man, that shit should be obvious. Spreading the wealth like a communist. Hop on this track, then I bodied it. Bet that I bronzed it. I'ma just say that I called this shit. No 411 when the beat comes in, my team goes dumb. So fuck it, I'ma let him. I'm done.
Our style is original, we are the pinnacle. Never astray from the trade. Never satirical, manifest miracles. Feeling like I am just say. Wanted and physical, fuck a dismissal. Cause we in this until we break the bank. Smoking on stank, nothing to lose. Get out the way, the 49 crew. We got that flame, only a few could ride what we say. Check your direction, peep the complexion. Boss up on flexing, fuck with the section. My team is reckless, Toast Smith and Wesson. No need for Teflon, we aim for that head bitch. Gon' prove you're breathless, up to the heavens. Say your last blessings. Good guy.
Telling me with it, like, nah, 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 nah. We never quit, like, nah, 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 nah. Yeah, we never finish, like, nah, 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 nah. Strictly the business, like, nah, 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 nah.
Okay, chili got my cash, throw it up like bulimic. Got my fucking stash, John Cena can't see it, ain't no secret, I'm a rock star. GTA, bitch, swerving in a fast car, like NASCAR. I think I made it, feel like I'm famous. Greatness is all that we chasing. Diamonds is stainless, haters adjacent. They watching me as I lane switch. Switch up my flows like I switch up my hoes. Straight to a point like a fucking free throw. Forbidden fruit, the truth. You mad you got dick from 2 dudes in the group. Woo. Off the range, shake the chain, spit flames. Motherfucker, we run the game. Icy veins, diamond rings, finer things. Chilly boy, you better know the name. Slanging rounds like a gun range. Still the same me, ain't nothing changed. I've been the man. See it on my Instagram. Talk shit, you better understand. I love the beef. No lettuce, no cheese. Petty motherfucker, man, you can't feed the beast. Fuck around and leave you deceased. Next day I'm on the beach of Greece. Bad bitch underneath the sheets. For now we on a rise like yeast. We don't compromise, all we do is slay beats. On my own throne, yeah, you can't have a seat. And I'm in my own zone, have you praying like a priest.
Telling me with it, like, nah, 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 nah. We never quit, like, nah, 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 nah. Yeah, we never finish, like, nah, 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 nah. Strictly the business, like, nah, 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 nah. Telling me with it, like, nah, 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 nah. We never quit, like, nah, 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 nah. Yeah, we never finish, like, nah, 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 nah. Strictly the business, like, nah, 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 nah.
Good guy.
Viens près de moi, je t'aime aussi.
C'est vrai?
Pull up in a coupe for days. I just be smoking some haze, feeling the waves, view from the 006. News flash like it's Katie Curry. Pure shooter like I'm Steph Curry. They get great cause I'm by the berry. All these haters that be acting shady. I'm on cloud now, bitch. Switches the flow when you hoes. Haters say suckin' some toes. I do this shit just supposed to flex. I don't care what you do next. Pick up and taking a dip. Drop top and I whip. Smell gross as I beat the shit. Act right when you see me, bitch. Run shit like I'm Mr. Mosley. Sweet life when you with me, shorty. Step back, man, you ain't my homie. Strictly brothers like it's Zach and Cody. Triple double like I'm Brody. Yeah. Pussy wetter than a fucking shower. Hit an hour, man, I make it louder. Eat it up like my name is Chowder. Yeah, shit, man, I got the power.
Slip and slide through the lane with the wrist whipping. Cooking up in the kitchen like my name Martha. Leading Spartans in the battle with the lethal weapon. Flipping bricks like it's nothing, no scuffing on the Jordans. Cause I look out for what's important. Bumping boredom in the whip with the click. Snapping biddies who want dick, so many can't keep track of it. Damn, look, got the loud, the booth packed in it. In the back, toting racks in it. Let them know that I'm rap spitting image. You want beef, then we can scrimmage. Cause I ain't lying about throwing hands unless mama's involved. Cause that's who I keep closest to her. She's more than a star. She's raising me up like Bill Cosby did with Theo. And if you fucking with my squad, then let the heat blow.
N'oublions ce tachien, maintenant je le mène chez moi. Tu n'as la pas traité correctement. Alors dis à voir, je suis là bon nom.
Bass real wavy, Haters real salty like some motherfucking gravy. And the lyrics going crazy. I'm going in the bank like, bitch, you better pay me. Had a couple girls try to play me, but that ain't me. In the back of my mind, I be thinking my timing was off. Running so hard, haters so soft, but my shot never off. Taking the offer and taking heads off. Ain't got the option, so I never stop. Keep moving on, and the weed is all gone. And the reason I'm leaving, despite all the pleading, is that I be leading the dream of a life. Fuck it, I'll step to the light. Fuck going left, cause I'm doing what's right. R.I.P. X and we bump a moonlight. Triple this up to the neck, and I bet that the rest of these heads are alright. But compared to me, they like not even nice. A girl with me, she be naughty and nice. She a freak and she come out at night. And in case you were wondering, that's how you ride a beat.
Maintenant je le mène chez moi. Tout n'a la pas traité correctement. Alors dis à moi, je suis là bon nom. Oublions ce tachia. Maintenant je le mène chez moi. Tout n'a la pas traité correctement. Alors dis à moi, je suis là bon nom.
Je vais commencer à vivre.
On my mind and I cannot explain it. Make up your mind or I'm leaving, we ain't. You're mistaking the words that I'm saying, you're crazy. Remember when we were together? Nothing could ever be better. Always let you wear my sweaters. Let me let you know of my vendetta. You got a booty that be bigger than your ego. Riding through the lane, blow the weed smoke. Do whatever that be getting the lights slow. Blowing dope and fucking hoes wherever we go. I got a little something that I gotta say to you. I be flexing on you haters. Yeah. I be flexing, see you later. I got money, pussy power, that's all a nigga need. Get it how I want it, homie, let me breathe. I said I got money, pussy power, that's all a nigga need. Get it how I want it, homie, let me breathe.
Sorry, not sorry, you think I'm a dick. I just switched up from feeling like shit. I care about others more than myself. Slowly taking tolls on my own health. I was anxious, so it changed shit. Time spent feeling wasted. Last year got me fucked up. This year changing places, goodness gracious. I'm on my yay shit. Feeling high like I'm on vacation. Fly to Vegas, next to Jamaica. Catch me out here ballin' like the Lakers. Ballin' like I'm Cal Kuzma. Said I'm the king like I'm Martin Luther. Solely does, man, I ain't no loser. Feeling limitless like I'm Bradley Cooper. I'm a straight shooter, man, I keep it real. I say what I feel, like, oh, what's the deal? Ice in my veins, so I stay even keeled. The feelings I have are no longer concealed. It's glorious, man, the feelings are victorious. No controlling us, we some warriors. Oh, you boring us, so sit down, let's pull up. Who give a fuck what they told us? Highly belligerent, I don't really care if they missing this. I do this for me, so put your bitch in shit. Flying so high, I think I'm never gonna land. Cop a couple bands, throw it up with both hands.
I be flexing on you haters. Yeah. I be